Here we are at Rocky Knob in Boone, just checking out the wonderful trails. Great setup for kids, multi-use in the mountains. Brad's overlooking at the map. There's some start of the trails that go up there, so we'll be hitting it here in just a minute. See you in a bit.
Take a left on Rocky Branch, go up here.
Yep.
Hook up over onto the boat
rock.
Yeah, and head.
Then
hit that,
maybe Old Hoss.
and then hit that and come back down. And, do it again or go back up, do it a different way.
Yeah.
That looks like the big boat.
Yeah, that looks fun. All right.
So, Rocky Branch to Boat Rock, to Old Hoss, to Boat Rock back down.
So we've got a left is our
and
first
there's a bail
turn.
out here. That's pretty cool.
Well, no, we're first starting, so we've got to go left at the
Gotta go left.
where the mountain biking and hiking is. So we'll go up. We'll take.
Take a left on Rocky
Yep.
Branch.
Yep. Okay. Lead her up, man. Oh, like a little A and B route.
Yeah.
I see how it got its name. Man, this is nice.
This is where we want to go.
Okay.
Man, that's labeled so well. Yep.
So this is the start of the boat.
This is the connector
Boat
called
Rock.
Middle Earth.
Oh, okay.
And
And this connects up to Boat Rock, or?
yep.
Now it says hiking, bikes that way, hiking's that way. I guess we've got some major drop coming. We're on Old Hoss. You okay?
Yeah.
Just got sideways, or?
Now I was about to go over the front, and I rode a wheelie, and I pulled back in time.
Did you land?
On it.
All right. Part 2.